Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel Cyclography. Today is the second last day of our trip. Tomorrow our trip is gonna end in Delhi, but today we are in Agra. We woke up super early in the morning. We packed our bag, we got ready, we took our breakfast, and right now we are on our way to Taj Mahal. Our hotel was within 500 meters of the Taj Mahal, and right now we are going to the parking lot. The morning is fantastic, the weather is cold, the sun is up, the temperature is perfect for visiting the Taj. The sky is clear, the clouds are dramatic, and this is the very first time I'm ever gonna visit the Taj. And I hope you like the cinematic shots that I took from inside the Taj. If you really like this video, share this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching my channel for future touring videos. Right now is a pandemic situation. I'm doing this voiceover because I lost my voice during this trip. I got a little sick. It was recorded pre-COVID, and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and leave a comment if you don't like this video and tell the reason why you didn't. And in a few seconds the footage from inside the Taj is gonna roll. I really hope you like it. Okay, so that was a view from inside the Taj complex. I hope you enjoyed it. But for now, we are gonna leave the city of Agra and continue our journey towards Delhi. And right now, you gonna see the views of the city of the Agra while we are leaving this city, beautiful city. There are many ancient historical buildings littered all around this city. I hope I was able to capture them all, and let's continue the journey for now. So this is a place where we stop so that the slower group can catch up with us. And there is one more reason, because this place is an entry point to the Yamuna Expressway, which is a straight route to Delhi. It is to some 230 kilometers. And when they arrived, we together decided that we should take the route, but this was a mistake, and you will see in a minute why. The entry to the Yamuna Expressway is just on the other side of the road. So this point is the entry point of Yamuna Expressway, and crossing these red barricades, this was a mistake because Yamuna Expressway is a kind of deserted. We didn't know that, and there is no shade, no level of comfort, no civilization along the route. The whole 230 kilometer is kind of deserted, and the road was not suitable for cycling, at least not for our cycles, because you can see there is nothing out there, nothing. And the road is made of concrete. The road is made of concrete, and on top of that there are grooves cut out on the concrete to help cars and trucks to maintain traction while moving at high speed, even if the road is wet. But the road was really grippy for our bike's tire, our cycle's tire. At the end of the day, out of 230 kilometer, we still had 114 kilometer to go, and we decided to call it a day. And we took an exit on the highway, and we stayed at Mathura, Vrindavan, and we continued our journey on the next day. We spent the night in a hotel near the expressway, very close to the expressway in Mathura. In the morning, we got up, we had our breakfast, we had our tea, and we then again hit the expressway in the morning, and we continued our journey. We continued our journey from where we left. We had still 114 kilometers to go, 114 kilometers more to reach Delhi, and we didn't reach Delhi on the same day we left Mathura. It took us one more day, or rather you can say we reached Delhi on the next day after leaving Mathura. We are approximately 114 kilometers away from Delhi, but this 114 kilometer is gonna be treacherous.
We are almost there. We are almost there.
And this dog followed us for a few kilometers literally. It was not chasing us, it was just running with us. at this point of time we still had 60 or 40 more kilometers to reach Delhi, so we decided to take another exit of the highway and take the service road to a nearby village called Rampura, as the information was given by a local and he said that we can get a place for the night and stay there, as it was getting dark and we needed to find a place real soon because the next day, tomorrow, we are going to reach Delhi. So we went to the village, inquired some local, and a very kind gentleman let us stay at his place now, and let's see what he has to say about our trip.
ये साहब अपना नाम बोलिए।
मेरा नाम सर नीरज तोमर है, मैं कस्बा रघुपुरा से बिलोंग करता हूँ
जी। और ये नीरज जी आज हम लोग को यहाँ सहारा दिए रात का।
मैं क्या सर, सहारा देने वाला तो ऊपर वाला है।
नहीं, बिल्कुल है,
एक जरिया हूँ सब।
बिल्कुल है। अब देख सकते हैं कितना बढ़िया रहने का अरेंजमेंट कर दिया, एकदम नया नया गद्दा सब लगा हुआ है। ये हमारे सारे लोग जो है सैनिक हमारा वो लेटे हुए हैं। अभी इन लोगों के लिए खाने का भी इंतज़ाम इन्होंने किए हैं। तो नीरज जी, हमारा जो प्रयास है कि पानी बचाओ जीवन बचाओ, इस संबंध में आप दो शब्द बोलिए।
आपका जो ये प्रोजेक्ट, आपका ड्रीम है, ये बहुत अच्छा है जी, क्योंकि अगर पानी नहीं रहेगा तो सर जीवन ही क्या रह जाएगा। बिल्कुल, विदाउट वाटर नथिंग। हाँ, कुछ भी नहीं है सर, ना ही पर्यावरण बचेगा जी, ना ही हम लोग बचेंगे। तो मेरी भी सबसे गुजारिश है, प्लीज़ सेव द वाटर
जी, पीने का पानी को
बचाइए,
बचत करें,
जितने अच्छे से अच्छा हो सकता है। समर का उपयोग कम करें
जी,
जितना भी हो।
तोमर जी, अपने परिवार के बारे में कुछ बताइए। आपका बहुत बड़ा परिवार है और
हाँ,
बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ बहुत बड़ा पोस्ट में भी है, थोड़ा बताइए।
मेरे पिताजी मिलिट्री से हैं
जी,
बड़े भैया हैं,
हाँ,
और ताऊ जी हैं जो कि अभी विधायक हैं।
अच्छा, क्या नाम हुआ उनका?
ठाकुर धीरेन्द्र सिंह।
अच्छा,
चाचा जी हैं जो मेयर हैं,
अच्छा,
ठाकुर वीरेंद्र प्रताप सिंह।
अच्छा, आपके पिताजी का क्या नाम है?
मेरे पिताजी का नाम सतवीर सिंह तोमर है, जो मिलिट्री से रिटायर हैं अभी।
बहुत बहुत बड़ा देशभक्त रह चुके हैं। तो आपके बड़े भाई भी यहाँ कोई?
बड़े भैया मेरे यहाँ के सभासद हैं,
मेयर का सभासद है। बहुत अच्छी बात है। आपका ये बिजनेस के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
बिजनेस मेरा अभी फर्नीचर का, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का बिजनेस है सर मेरा
जी,
जो कि बहुत अच्छा है।
हाँ जी,
ऊपर वाले की दुआ से
हाँ,
सब कुछ अच्छा ही है।
हम लोगों का सबका बहुत बहुत दुआ आप सबके लिए, और आप सबके प्रति हम लोग आभार प्रकट करना चाहता हूँ मार्गन के ओर से, क्योंकि आपने सही वक्त पर हमें बहुत बड़ा सहारा दिया। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते।
नमस्कार।